guys, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 1st to the 5th of June 2020. If you want the full episode, please check on the comment section. I will definitely leave the link there. On Monday, Maroti pulls out of the stop to find his wife. Glenda meets her knight in shining armor. The dating club connects more dots to solve their mystery. On Tuesday, Marodi received the authorities at his doorstep and is horrified by their damning request. Koloi learns a devastating truth about his near-death experience at the reserve. Mapiti is trending but not in a positive light, and this worries her. On Wednesday, new evidence surfaces prompting Malebana to declare a marital home a crime scene. Principal is shocked when Ramalo brings new information of what happened at the school trip. Mapiti witnesses two former lovers in a length embrace and is disturbed. On Thursday, the police forensics team find a startling piece of evidence concerning Rachel's disappearance. Alfred and Togo are read for the filthy at their hearing. Lelo celebrates a win. On Friday, Malebana and Mabeile are shocked by the forensic results of the evidence found at the Maputuma townhouse. Two educators are relieved to survive the chopping block. Mr. Langa is livid when he learns of Lelo results regarding the Glenda issue. Guys, this is all I have for today. Please leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.